Okay, problem number 7. The first number 7. Apparently, there are two number 7s. Anyways, first number 7. We're given the parametric equation of a conic section. We know it's going to be a hyperbola because we have tan and secant instead of sine and cosine. So recognize that the tan is with the y. And remember that in our identity we get 1 equals secant squared minus tan squared. And in our hyperbola equation, since the tan is with the y, we're going to get x squared minus y squared, which tells us that this hyperbola is going to be opening horizontally. So my a value is with the x, and it's the coefficient, so a is 5, b with y, coefficient there is 4. I know that the center of this hyperbola is the point 3 comma negative 2. And let's see, because of the constant terms from x and y. And so I can figure out c, since this is a hyperbola. I know c is equal to the square root of 25 and 16, which is, let's see, c then would be the square root of, what is it, 41, which is, that's a nice, fun, ugly prime number. So let's go ahead and write this equation in rectangular form now. Remember we said it's opening horizontally, so we're going to get x minus 3 quantity squared over 5 squared minus y plus 2 quantity squared over b squared equals 1. Let's see what else they want to know. They want the asymptotes. Well, my asymptotes are going to be y plus 2 equals plus or minus. Now, since this is a horizontally opening hyperbola, that tells me that my a value is going to be horizontal, and so the rise in this case is going to be my b value. So I'm going to need b over a. So I'm going to need 4 over 5 times my x minus 3. So that's the equation of my asymptotes. The foci are going to be at the point 3 plus or minus the square root of 41, 41, comma, negative 2. And now I can sketch all of this in. That's the only thing that's left for me to do. I think that's all we need to do. I drew my box in because I knew that A was 5, so I went right 5 and left 5 for my center. I knew B was 4, so I went up 4 and down 4. Drew my box, drew in my asymptotes going through the vertices of the box and the center. And then I sketched in my 2 halves of the hyperbola. The foci are going to be about a little under 10, or what is it going to be? Yeah, a little under 10 to the right and left from the center. So I'm going to be like somewhere over here and somewhere over there, like that. Cool. That's it.